Hello and welcome to my channel. Here is a secret weight loss recipe to lose 11 pounds in 2 days fast at home using only natural ingredients. If you have been trying to get rid of your first 10 pounds quickly without success, this drink will help you achieve your goal. Caution: if you are on certain health medications like blood thinners or high blood pressure medications, please consult with your doctor before starting this weight loss drink. But before let's go further, I have to ask you, looking for the perfect weight loss smoothie recipe? We've gathered the top 25 best smoothie recipes for fast weight loss. It's a free gift for you. Check the first link in the video description to download for free these yummy smoothie recipes that help you burn belly fat, balance your hormones, defeat diabetes and enjoy all-day energy. This might seem foolish, but did you know that so many people are successfully losing weight around the world just by using this parsley? Yes. That is all you need to start seeing those stubborn pounds melt away from your body. Parsley not only helps you lose weight, but it also helps cleanse your colon from excess waste, remove toxins from your liver, cleanses your blood and reduces fluid retention fast. Drinking this recipe will help you lose weight quickly. What you need: 10 tablespoons of parsley, chopped, 2 liters of water. How to make: boil the water and add in the parsley while it is still on the heat. Let it boil together for an extra 10 minutes before cutting off the heat. Leave it aside until it cools and strain it into a clean bottle. Drink this parsley water first thing in the morning, once before lunch and 30 minutes before bedtime. We also recommend you drink at least 8 glasses of water when consuming this remedy, and also eat a low-calorie diet for best results. Walking for at least 30 minutes will assist the drink in removing waste from your colon. There you go. You now know about the secret weight loss recipe to lose 11 pounds in 2 days. Also, don't forget to download our free gift for you. Check the first link in the video description to download for free 25 yummy smoothie recipes that help you burn belly fat, balance your hormones, defeat diabetes and enjoy all-day energy. Thanks for watching today's video. If you find this video helpful, give me a big thumbs up. Please, don't forget to comment and subscribe for more videos. Bye and see you in the next video.